What's up, guys? Back to 1943X here. We're back to the Railroads Online. So, I'm a little sick today. Maybe you can hear it in my voice, but, yeah. I think what we're gonna do today is we are gonna go, like, out right here. We're gonna do a Y track. So, and we're gonna go to the sawmill over here. I think there are gonna be a lot of trees over here, so we gotta be careful of that, but, yeah, let's go grab, old Betsy over here. Okay, one thing I'm going to do really fast is I am going to go... Let's go wall... Actually... Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make another track to come off the, turntable. There we go, now it's working today. So now... you can just go off there. Okay, is it gonna work? Hopefully. We're gonna find out at least. Please work. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna fix that in the future, but for now it's alright. Because I'm just doing track maintenance, really. I'm not gonna take any cars. Get out of the way! Just go ahead and make sure the tracks are all set. No, there isn't really a point, but I still think it's cool. Wait for me! Yeah. Fun game. Hey, Theo! right here is where we're gonna want to do it. Historical accuracy, guys. Oh my god, is that a History Secrets reference? Whoa. Yeah, no, let's just go all the way back and try it from here. Wait. Hey, Mino. Hi, little guy. Okay, and then we just need to have it be a lot sharper. Yeah, no, okay. Needs to be a lot further out. Okay, so like, I'd say from here, but I don't know if it's gonna be too far, but we'll see. Alright. I don't think we need to be as sharp with this. Okay. Let's go off precise now. Let's just get it there and see see what it looks like. Okay, that actually looks really good. Holy crap. Okay. Here's a sawmill. So we're gonna turn. Okay. Yeah, I'm still gonna need to reroute it. Let's put out a sign right here. And we're gonna go over here and place another one. Bam. Okay, then we're gonna chop down a couple trees. Get them out of the way. Okay, that's looking pretty good. So it's set to going, but we need a reverse. So tree's a little close. Alright. Just gotta go through that valley right there. Alright, that's looking pretty good. Looking a lot better than this. Ugh. So, looks so bad, but we're gonna fix that. Maybe next episode we'll fix that. There's the sawmill. What the hell is that? I'm just gonna not bother with that weird noise. That's not even in the game, that's in my house. It's a little curve, but it's alright. I don't like it, but yeah, no, I don't like that actually. Pretty boring gameplay. I'm not talking too much because, like I said, I am sick, so I don't really like to talk. Just need to do a little bit of a curve. There we go. Not as much as a curve, but we still needed one. Probably, hold up, I wanna go, look at this place. So I don't know what it, oh. Okay, so there's a little shelf. Come through right here, we should be okay. Back in here. Okay, I'm just gonna make like a little, spot. Stealing Khan's idea like I always do, where put down trussel. It looks a lot nicer.
Three hours later.
Yeah, telegraph office. I keep forgetting to do this, but I keep like remembering. So, should probably start doing this. Okay, 1% grades. That's pretty good. Okay. Alright. Almost got this. That's that's weird. Please, come on, please, 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 please. Please, no! Wait. Okay. That looks decent, alright? I think, let's look at the map. It's straight, that's all I care about. Said that like 3 billion times, but okay, it looks decent. Alright, let's test this out. That okay, there it goes. That curve is a little sharp. So could be a problem. Let's turn dynamic lighting on. Gameplay on. Need to get some water for the Betsy boy. Girl, or whatever the hell it is. That's weird. There's like this section. Oh my god, that voice crack. There's like a section of track over here that's just like not there on the menu map. Yeah, so I think what I want to do. Oh yeah, we gotta connect that part over there. I don't know if let's see, can our cars, this is the one we have, can it carry the I-beams? What the frig? Wait, hold up. Okay, it's bugging. Hold up. Okay, there we go. Okay, this one can carry. We're gonna need to start getting these ones. Yeah, alright. So, because ours, this is the one we have, can only carry logs and steel pipes. So this one can carry the stuff from the sawmill. Oh yeah. Alright, I gotta speed do this. I don't think I can. Get out of the way! No! No. I wasn't fast enough. Looks all good. So yeah. You need to figure out like a stopping thing in here. But I think what we're gonna do really fast is we need to make a thing for over here. So that way we can get lumber and beams and all that great stuff. Hold up, wait, where? Okay, I'm going to. Alright, that does indubitably look good. Jubilee? Jubilee? Indubitably look very nice. Now I need to get the switch track figured out. I want to do it somewhere around here, so. Oh, okay. Yeah, we're gonna do it over here. We'll back a little bit further. What? Alright, that actually looked very solid. It's a little, yeah, no, it's too tight. Okay. Think it's too tight, but we're gonna run it with Betsy and see what happens. Damn. Where are you going? There you go. Oh, maybe that's not as tight as I thought it was. Oh boy, now it's becoming nighttime. Okay, that is very tight. Like, very tight at the curve. Alright, let's get some water. Should be filled up. Yep. Yeah. Denver Rio Grande Railroad. It's great. Oh yeah, I need to leave a car behind so that way I don't do the last episode. I know it literally blocks like it's 2 switches. There is a switch, but it's alright. Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad. Wait, no. Ah, yes. America. That one should be set. The other one should be set too. Right? Yep. So one thing I'm curious about is with these passenger cars, where is it? Is there a oh my god, that voice cracked. Paint. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah? Yeah. What? Yeah. Yep. Alright, we're almost to the sawmill. We need to take control of the locomotive. I got scared for a second. Yeah, so I think what we were meant to do is go through there, but yesterday my grade keys weren't working, so I couldn't like increase or decrease the grade manually. So that's what we're gonna fix next episode. Fast. fix this little grade right here where it just like bogs down, or bogs down and bogs back up. Whoa. Well, I think cornwood, I think you need that for the smelter if I recall from watching Khan's videos a lot, but speaking of this Khan, maybe I'll put a link in the video description for his channel, maybe if I remember. I probably will, because I have to edit this, then upload it right after I'm done filming. So and then a lot of times with whistling, when you're just like out here, kind of like close to no station in the middle of nowhere, you'll like just blow your whistle just to tell people to get out of the way. Get out of the way. It's all dark and scaly now. Yeah, I really need to redo this. Okay, I can still have it out so you can kind of see what's waiting. Am I still in, I'm gonna save what I think about, because I keep forgetting to save it, it really annoys me. Like, yesterday, when I did the last video, I didn't save it, so like, I forgot, so I like lost some money, but it wasn't too bad. Just more annoying than anything. So it's funny when he jumps. John Railroadson looks pretty funny when he jumps, holding his lantern like that. Lonely train. That'd be a cool pick if the HUD wasn't going insane. Dude, what the frig? Let's turn that off. Gameplay. Okay, hold on. Options, gameplay, HUD words off. There we go. I think I should have fixed it. If not, oh well. Set correctly. See that right there? That startled me because I thought we were coming up to like the end of the bridge or log place, the place where we dump logs. Oh no, 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 please, please, please. Oh, holy crap, wait, hold up. Oh, that's right, that was almost there. Alright, pretty good, we've made $1,000 according to my Steam. That's nice. Alright, let's back up. No, 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 no. Shit. Oh, that scared me. Alright, we got, almost enough money to buy the, Montezuma. But I think if I fix that, like, hill area by the logging camp, I don't think we'll need it for a while. So, we'll see. Drive back to the, whatever the hell this place is called, the, depot. Everything's set. Aaron, Witness Aaron. But he's gonna buy the game. He's gonna test it out. We're gonna run some trains. I wanna try and get a new train. So then that way we'd have someone going log camp there, and then having someone go to logging camp to here. So maybe we need to make like sidings. Or maybe we could double track actually, that'd be pretty cool. Like Railway Empire. That'd be a lot of work, but it'd be pretty cool to double track like this area, because this is like this area right here. This is our main line, and then this is like our also our main line. So yeah, yeah. Why do they have to be on the other opposite of the map? The ironworks, iron mine. I gotta get this thing, break off. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me on this epic adventure that is Railroads Online. If you have any suggestions, please leave me down below. If I miss anything, tell me, like whistle, shit, or train terminology. I'd be interested to hear what you got. But yeah, see you guys next time. Goodbye.